Hello everyone, this is Douglas E. Welch and welcome back to another episode of In the Garden for a Gardener's Notebook. For more information you can visit douglasewelch.com. You'll find links to a gardener's notebook and everything else that I do. Well, this morning we had actually a small reminder of why you should always take care of your trees. Now it's a small reminder, but a reminder all the same that eucalyptus trees, which this is, do have a tendency to shed limbs on occasion. They're not the most robust of trees. I don't see them topple over very often, but they do like to shed big limbs. And so we're always very careful to have this tree pruned every so often properly to keep limbs away from the house and away from important parts of the garden. Eventually it'll have to go. It's simply too big for where it's planted, but it's a nice shade tree and it does well keeping our house cool in the summer. So for the time being, we'll leave it here. That said, we'll always be on the lookout for anything like this happening in the future. This was a result of some high winds that we had a couple days ago, and I just happened to notice it out here today. But I wanted to share it with you and give you a little reminder. Take care of your trees and they'll take care of you. For more information, visit douglasewelch.com.